Hello, my dear lovely little friends. Welcome back to Learn Fun Boom. Have you ever had a sneeze so big that it surprised everyone? Today we are opening Zebra's Sneeze. This book is written by Maxine Lee. So sit back and get ready because this Zebra's Sneeze is about to make us laugh. Let's play hide and seek. You are it, zebra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the best hiding place ever. Keep still. Shh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coming! Ready or not? Ah, 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 ah. Choo! What's happening? Found you, lion? Ah, 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 ah. Choo! Why it is so windy? Found you, monkey? Ah, 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 ah. Choo! Where are all the leaves going? Found you, parrot? Sneezing's not fair. Your turn to hide, zebra. We will look for you. And now the lion is counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coming. Ready or not? Ah, 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 ah. Choo! Found you, zebra. He, he, he. That was a sneaky sneezy game of hide and seek. Zebra didn't mean to cheat. His achoo just couldn't stay quiet. But friends can understand, forgive, and keep playing together. See you soon with more fun stories on Learn Fun Boom. Until then, hide well, seek gently, and achoo! Bless you.